All right, so we got a sod repair job here today for the town. So basically what happened is they redid all the roads and sidewalks here, brought in the sewer services to the lot line, and now they when they resodded this a couple years ago, it never took really well. So we're gonna go all the way back to where the water service is here. If you can see that, it's settled down around that, and all the way out to the edge of the driveway there, and then a little piece on the other side of the driveway as well. So this is the other area we got to do, and we're gonna do that line straight to the pole from here to this garden all the way to that pole. So we're removing the sod. We got to remove at least 6 to 8 inches of topsoil or whatever soil is here, and bring in some triple mix, some better quality screen soil, and regrade this whole area before resodding. Alright, so I got most of all the grass pretty well out. So got that load, just trying to separate it a little bit, but all the way up to here. This is an outlet for the sewer, if they ever want to connect the actual house to sewer pipe. That's it there. And yeah, now we're going to remove some of this soil. We've got to remove about 6 to 8 inches or so of this soil. All right, so we have got one load of triple mix, well actually sorry, 2 loads of triple mix delivered at this point. We had one over in that area. This is the second load. We just took our last load of the dirt we excavated. So you can see we've dug out a minimum of 6 inches, if not more, all along the sidewalk. And so Jason took this last load. He's gone to get another load of triple mix. We'll probably still need one after that, and at least. And we're getting there. So it's all cleaned up now, everything all sculpted out, cleaned up all around the edges, nice straight lines. So we're getting there. All right, so we're getting this stuff spread. If you can tell, it's very, very, very humid, moist. So it's almost impossible to run the machine on this, especially on this angle. You just keep sliding down. So, and then it's tacky and sticky. So just did a bit of a rough spread, and we're gonna do a lot of raking here. But that's okay. Keeps the ground loose and fluffy. Good for the sod anyway. Jason's going to get one more load. Or the one more right where the takeuchi is sitting. And I think that'll pretty well finish this off. Then rake, clean up, and it's another one done. We're doing the sod another day here. Okay, so there you have it. Everything's all nice and raked out. Sweeped and scraped the sidewalks as good as possible here. Once we get some water on the grass, we'll have to wash this as well, but that's about as good as we can get. It's really sticky stuff, scraped and broomed, but water will take care of that. But yeah, that's all nice and graded there. Nice black soil, nice and sharp, raked out, just missing some grass now. All right, so this is about a week or 2 later after we did this repair for the town. See, leaves are starting to fall on the grass, but this is what it looks like. Nice and luscious green here. Grass all took really well. And then this little corner here as well. All that took really nice.
Okay, hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this and how this process turned out, doing this little repair job for the town here. And we did this all in one day. We started in the morning ripping up grass, loading up material, and in the afternoon bringing in the material, raking it all out. And it was a few days later we scheduled to get the sod laid. Then I passed by and got that little shot once that was done and installed. Thank you all for watching Dirty Diggers videos in 2020, as weird a year as it's been. Hopefully everyone enjoys the Christmas holidays, and we'll see you in the new year with more Dirty Digger content. Thank you for watching.